Okay, so let's go back to our button. And let's just use standard HTML to create a button. Let's save that. So now we want to take a look at this, but we can't because we just built a component. Components either need to render on other Lightning pages or in standalone applications. So for now, let's just create a Lightning application where we can use as testing some of our components. So let's do File New Lightning Application, and let's call this Test App. We can add a description: a simple application used for testing new components. Submit. Perfect. Okay, let's add that button to this application so we can preview it and take a look at it. So we start with the C namespace, which is the C colon, and then the name of our component, simple button. Save that and preview. Now I know this is a little repetitive of the hello world exercises, but I think it's important to do this again after seeing kind of the higher level overview of what a single page application is. Okay, so we see our Press Me button and nothing happens. So let's add an action to this Press Me button. Let's go back to our Lightning Developer Console. And let's go back to our simple button. We want this button to call some code in the controller after it is pressed. So we can do that by adding an attribute to the button on click, just like we would on a normal HTML button. Now we need to add an expression to call the name of that controller. We start off with brackets, and then we do C dot, let's go back to our controller, and we're going to call this my action. Save that. So this is ready to go. And right here, let's just do a simple alert so we can prove that it's working. Alert. Let's save that. And let's go back to our test application and update the preview. Okay, let's press me. There we go. Hello alert. So you now know how to wire up a controller to the component's markup.